Hey guys, it's Annie Margarita Yang back with another Annie Yang financial video for you today. Today I will be doing an AI headshot review of headshotsbyai.com. The whole reason why I'm doing these reviews is because I will be giving talks at colleges and universities, and one of the things that college students and also recent college graduates are struggling with is they need a professional headshot for their LinkedIn profile so that they can stand out in the job market and make a lasting impression on potential hiring managers. So what I'm looking to do is I'm trying to find a cost-effective solution that will work for this group of people because they cannot afford to pay $300 to $500 for a professional headshot. So I'm trying to see if there is an AI headshot generator out there that can produce a professional looking headshot that not only looks realistic and natural, but also resembles your original face. So today I will be doing an honest review of headshots by AI. I'm doing reviews of about 20 of these and I'm paying for them out of my own pocket. So that way the reviews are fully honest and 100% my opinion. It's not because someone else paid me to say something. So let's get started with headshots by AI to see how this one works. Okay. Don't have an account, sign up. Okay. Okay, let's do the individual. This is the first one. I think it's not just Asian, it's East Asian. And as for my age as well, okay, I'm in my late 20s. Wow, they have so many options for the eye color. It goes beyond just brown, black, green, blue. There's no option for black, so I guess I'm just dark brown. Okay. I have to select at least 20 pictures. Okay. I didn't click this button. Okay. One. Two. Three. Okay. So I always buy the most expensive one because, well, the most expensive one usually offers the most results. So I really want to see the full scale of what they offer. So I get the most expensive one just so you guys can see what kind of pictures they really come out with rather than the least expensive one. I'm not really sure what this is. It's like, click here to visit your content. All right. Right. Okay, continue. You can start training now or make changes. Okay. Okay, I guess they will probably send me an email when they're done. It's not indicating to me how long this will take. So I'll be back whenever they email me. Hey guys, I'm back. I have the headshots ready for Headshots by AI. I actually got this email yesterday, but I was too busy to film yesterday in the evening. So the process took about 1 hour to generate. Okay, so I'm going to click on it now and see the results because it's a surprise for me as well. Yeah, well, let's see if there's even one that looks like me. Hold on. They don't let me... Can I like zoom in? What if I go one out? All right. Let's see. So far, nothing looks like me. I mean, she looks like a doll, you know? Huh. Wow. Okay. I don't think there is a single image in here. There's not a single image in here that looks like me. It just looks like a pretty Asian woman, but it could be any pretty Asian woman. It doesn't look like me. I can kind of see like the eyebrows kind of look like mine, right? And some of these facial features as well. If I zoom in, but like zoomed out like this, yeah, like the overall picture of what should be me, it's not me. It actually looks like my friend Jasmine, not like me. But I can kind of see like it tried to take features from my face and compile it together. But when you actually like zoom out, you can't even recognize any of the stuff here, I think. Let me see. Yeah. And then, can I zoom in on this as well? Something's a little off. I'm not sure why the lipstick looks like this. It looks really artificial. Let me see. I mean, this one you can kind of see from a slight angle to the side. I kind of look like this facial wise, you know, from the side profile. But yeah, I don't think I don't think any of these images would look natural or resemble what you look like if you use the service in order to get a headshot for your LinkedIn profile. So I cannot recommend this service. Headshots by AI.com is off the list. Don't use this service. On the bright side, it made me Asian. It's not like the others that totally whitewashed my skin. So I really appreciate that this software recognized that I'm Asian and at least tried its best to give me pictures of an Asian woman. Okay, but I don't recommend this service. Okay, if you enjoy these review services and you like to look at the different results and you want to see the results from the others without having to watch all the videos, then I highly recommend you head on over to my website, AnnieYangFinancial.com, and to look for the article that will show you all of the different headshots that I got from reviewing all of these different services. Just head over to the book resources section, scroll down to chapter 16, to where it says AI headshot generators, then click read, okay? And then over here on this article, I will continually update it until the end of this week when I'm done reviewing all of these services with about 20 pictures, 25 pictures of the different results that I got from all these different services. And then once I'm done reviewing all of them, then I will be sorting this list from like what I recommend most to what I totally don't recommend you use at all. So be on the lookout and check this page for the most recent updates. If you enjoy these videos, then I highly recommend and would really, really appreciate your financial support for this channel. If you could head over to AnnieYangFinancial.com's homepage, then over here, this orange button, buy my signed copy now, get a copy of the 5-day job search. This book is going to change your life. You know, we have a lot of people in this country, they struggle with student loan debt. And they don't know how they can earn more money. They wonder why they're underpaid. And I will teach you how you can become an expert, a leading expert in your industry so that you can command the salary that you want and you can quickly pay off those student loans. Like if you could make $35,000 more, and given that the average person graduates with about $36,000 in student loan debt, like if you could get that kind of raise and just continue to live on the kind of income you were earning before the raise, then you could easily pay off your student loans in about a year to a year and a half instead of what the average person takes, which is 21 years. Okay, so pay off your student loans quickly, guys, by getting the book, The 5-Day Job Search. Add the book to your shopping cart and use the coupon code WIN, that's WIN, to get a 10% off discount on the 5-Day Job Search. If you're not sure whether you want to get the book just yet, what you can do is you can head over to the top where it says book resources and click on audiobook. And from there, you can put in your name, put in your email address, and you can get the 5-hour audiobook for free. Now, you're going to listen to the 5 hours and you're going to realize, wow, this is 49 chapters long. It's chock full of so much information. I don't know where to start. And because this is the kind of book where it's like a reference, almost like a Bible, where you read and then implement, read and then implement, you're going to want to get the paperback copy because then instead of having to sort through 5 hours of audio to find what you were looking for, you just get the paperback, flip to the page that you need to read, and, you know, move on with your life. So I really appreciate you guys watching until the end of this video. If you like today's video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos in the future, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.